I'm going to cook some bacon. Tim of all trades here, and Tim of all trades could go working from the car, go from work, cleaning the house, mowing the grass. If I was a hunter, I would go hunting. I guess grocery shopping is like what we do for hunting these days. I don't like it, but I'll do it. Go hunting, gathering, all those things. So today I am going to weave the bacon. You want to see how baking the bacon? Baking, bacon, baking, bacon. It's so fun. Yes, it is. You get the bacon. Follow the instructions on the packet. Baking, bacon. Okay. So we're going to bake the bacon. And the first thing that we need to do is gotta preheat the oven. But what does it say? Okay, this is pretty messed up because I don't even know where it says the instructions for heat. Oh, there it is, 350. Okay, 350 for the baking the bacon. So we're gonna go here to the stove, press bake. No, it's already set for 350. Start it. Meanwhile, I'm going to wash my hands. You know we gotta wash your hands when you. The sink's a little bit better than last time, but you know. Baking, bacon, baking, bacon. It's so fun. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Dry my hands off. Baking the bacon. Have to shoot. Not sure if this blade's clean or not, but I'm gonna wipe it off anyways. All right, then now we're gonna take the bacon out of the package. I'm gonna cook all of it. Gotta weave it all. I'm gonna use a lot of paper towels because bacon is really gross in your hands. It feels nasty, but it tastes so good. Put some aluminum foil on the pan. Because the bacon grease is a mess. Put this grill thing right here. The grill. It's not a grill. What's this called? I don't know what this is called, but it's so the bacon won't be soaking in the bacon. See? You have this piece, and then the aluminum foil. And I'm gonna see if I could get a higher level of things, so you can see me weave the bacon weave. Oh boy, how am I gonna set this up? Yeah, this is high production. Oh shoot. Oh wait, maybe I could do it like this. Baking the bacon. It's crooked. Whatever. Hope you could enjoy it anyways. Okay. Now we get the bacon. You could put it like strips like this. Strip the bacon like this. weaving the bacon is fun, and it cooks better. And if you put the bacon in the oven, when you're baking the bacon, it doesn't get all splattery and doesn't like zap you and burn you and all that stuff from all the popping oil. So you're gonna take every other one and fold it like so. Then you get the other bacon. It smells like something's cooking in the oven. Gosh darn it. No. I thought something was left in the oven. Because if something was left in the oven, it's going to get burnt. Okay. You take this piece the other way. Fold these ones down like this. Then you take the other bacon. Every other one. We're weaving the bacon. We're making a weave. We're weaving it. Just weaving it. I'm talking loud because there's no microphone. I don't have a Bluetooth. I don't have this and that. I don't have high video production. But if you enjoy it, please let me know. Weaving the bacon. We want all this bacon in here. You want a tight weave bacon. Because this is going to be good. Watch. You're going to have like a bacon patty. And if you have a bacon patty, then you can make really good BLTs. That's bacon, lettuce, tomato. Ooh, so good. And if you have it weaved, you have a really nice bunch of bacon to bite into. With your tomato and your lettuce and your mayonnaise and all those things is so good. You see how I'm weaving it? I'm weaving the bacon. It's really good, like this. Okay. I don't want any bacon left. I'll eat it. I'll manage to eat it. You could, put it in the refrigerator. It doesn't cook, it doesn't reheat that great, but, if you have to. See how I'm weaving it? I'm weaving the bacon. I'm weaving it. So I'm making like a woven bunch of bacon. Putting it really tightly together. I could have got it a little bit tighter. But I didn't rehearse. I didn't rehearse any of this. Everything that you're seeing now is impromptu. Impromptu. So, it's really tight woven bacon. Like this. So I don't want any bacon left over. So I'm going to put the bacon right here at the end over here. Actually, I might be able to squeeze in another bacon over here. So you see this? This is weaving the bacon. Get your strips of bacon and bake your bacon. This is off the grill, some of it. Or the grate. Man, why can't I think of the word of what this thing is called? Gosh darn it. Should have looked it up. Alright. Well, we're gonna take this bacon. I'm gonna try to. Nah, it's not gonna work, so. This is it. It's like artwork. It's so amazing. I gotta wash my hands again because my hands are all nasty. Bacon grease. I can't touch anything with nasty bacon hands. Nasty, nasty bacon hands. Baking the bacon. Baking bacon. That's what it looks like. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. gonna be nice. So I'll put this in the oven for 15, 20, 30. It depends on how crispy you want it. But when you do BLTs, you want it kind of soft. But of course, you want it thoroughly cooked because you don't want to ingest any uncooked bacon. That nasty. So this is the baking the bacon. Weaving it, making it into bacon patties. Oh boy. Maybe I'll have a follow-up video one day.